The fountain of youth has finally been bottled. That's the headline in every 2026 beauty magazine. They're calling them exosomes, the miracle cellular messengers that promise to rewire your skin's biological clock. You've seen the influencers with their $400 serums, claiming their glass skin is the result of stem cell technology. But as a group of independent researchers, we've been tracking the 2026 clinical data, and we found a massive, multi-million-dollar problem. Most of you aren't buying the future of medicine. You're buying a biological ghost. While medical-grade exosomes are genuinely revolutionizing wound care in hospitals, the version you're buying at the mall or even at high-end med spas is often a high-priced illusion. As of today, the FDA has issued a red alert for 2026. There are 0 FDA-approved exosome products for cosmetic use. 0. Why are brands allowed to sell them? Because they use a legal loophole called label dressing. They put a dead, unpurified dusting of plant-derived vesicles in a bottle and call it a $500 miracle. Today, our team is exposing the exosome scam. We're following the paper trail of the 2026 clinical failures. We're performing a brutal value audit comparing these miracle serums to a 50 biotech staple you've never been told about. And we're revealing the exact Spicule hack protocol that actually delivers results without the $500 price tag. If you want the truth about whether you're buying cellular science or just expensive water, you need to watch this entire investigation. Because the industry doesn't want you to be a researcher, they want you to be a customer. Let's get into the technical weeds, because this is where the scam hides. What exactly is an exosome? In our 2026 research, we define them as extracellular vesicles, EVs. Think of them as tiny FedEx packages sent from one cell to another. Inside that package is a cargo of proteins, lipids, and messenger RNA. When a young cell sends an exosome to an old cell, it's literally giving it instructions on how to behave young again, to produce more collagen and stop the inflammaging process. Sounds amazing, right? Here's why it's a scam in 99% of skincare. Our group audited the 2026 ISEV guidelines. For an exosome to actually work, it must be 3 things: stable, concentrated, and alive. The temperature trap. True exosomes are incredibly fragile. Medical-grade vesicles require a cold chain storage of 80 degrees. If your $300 serum has been sitting on a shelf in a warm warehouse or under the bright lights of a retail store, those messengers are likely dead. You aren't applying a signal, you're applying a graveyard of lipids. The concentration crisis. To trigger a biological change, you need billions of purified vesicles. Most over-the-counter, OTC products use plant-derived exosomes. While Sika exosomes are a huge 2026 trend, our research shows that many of these are just unpurified plant waste. They lack the specific signaling RNA that human skin cells actually recognize. The delivery problem. Your skin's job is to keep things out. An exosome is a large molecule. Simply rubbing it on top of your face is like trying to throw a FedEx package through a brick wall. Without a delivery system, that $400 serum is just an expensive moisturizer. The FDA's 2026 MedWatch has already flagged dozens of companies for unlawful biological claims. They are selling regeneration but delivering sensitization. In our investigation, we found that many exosome serums actually rely on high-dose niacinamide or glycerin to give you a temporary glow, while the expensive exosomes do absolutely nothing. The industry wants you to pay for the exosome name because it sounds like science fiction. But let's look at the value-to-cost logic our team has developed. A typical exosome serum in 2026 costs roughly $250 to $400 per ounce. Our research group performed a molecular audit on 3 of the top-selling longevity serums. The results? The exosomes were listed after the preservatives. That means the concentration is so low, it's biologically irrelevant. This is the definition of label dressing. But here is the research group's secret. There is a stable, proven biotech molecule that does exactly what exosomes promise, at a fraction of the cost. It's called PDRN, polydeoxyribonucleotide, commonly known as salmon DNA. In 2026, PDRN is the gold standard in Korean hospitals for skin graft recovery and scar repair. Unlike exosomes, PDRN is heat stable. It doesn't die on your bathroom shelf. Scientifically verified, it triggers the A2A receptor to force your fibroblasts to make new collagen. Affordable? You can find high-quality, clinical-grade PDRN for $15 to $35. If you want the regenerative aesthetics effect, our audit shows that you are 10 times more likely to get results from a $25 PDRN ampule than a $400 exosome cream. In our 7 Best Vaseline Hacks video, we talked about the power of the occlusive seal. If you apply a PDRN serum and seal it with a budget-friendly staple like Vaseline, you are essentially creating a $400 professional treatment at home. Why? Because the Vaseline stops the water loss, keeping the skin soft enough for the PDRN molecules to actually penetrate the barrier. Our group of researchers doesn't just debunk, we provide delivery solutions. If you do want to use a high-tech signal molecule, whether it's PDRN or a verified medical-grade exosome, you need to solve the delivery problem. In 2026, we've moved past the routine overload. We use precision delivery. Here is the exact regenerative protocol we recommend for 2026. The liquid microneedling hack, microspicules. Instead of expensive in-office treatments, look for microspicules. These are tiny, microscopic needles derived from marine sponges, hydrolyzed sponge. When you massage a spicule cream into your skin, it creates thousands of temporary microchannels. You'll feel a slight prickle, that's the science working. The signal injection. Immediately after the spicules, apply your PDRN or signal peptide serum. Because you've created those microchannels, the absorption rate increases by up to 60 times. This is how you get professional results without the $800 price tag. The Skin Longevity Guard. During this protocol, ditch your AHAs and retinols. You are in the regeneration phase. Adding acids now will only cause barrier burnout. The Vaseline seal. This is the most important step. Apply a thin layer of petrolatum, Vaseline, or a Sika balm. This acts as a pressure cooker, forcing the active signal molecules deep into the channels you've created. By following this protocol, you are using the same biological logic as a $1,000 professional exosome treatment, but you're doing it with stable, biotech-backed ingredients for under $50. The verdict of our investigation is clear. The exosome scam is the 2026 version of the snake oil trade. While the science of extracellular vesicles is the future of human medicine, the skincare version is a wild west of label dressing and broken promises. You are being charged for a biological FedEx package that is usually empty or dead. The industry is banking on the fact that you won't do the research. They want you to see the word stem cell or exosome and stop asking questions. But our group of researchers is here to make sure that doesn't happen. This video is one of 10 in our investigation into the biggest skin problems women face this year. We've exposed the menopause information gap, we've analyzed the skin longevity crisis, and now we've dismantled the exosome scam. Subscribe to watch more to come. We don't take sponsorships. We don't have a only for you brand to sell you. We are an independent community of researchers. If you're tired of being a consumer and you want to be a researcher, hit the subscribe button. Join our community, share your data in the comments, and let's keep the $100 billion beauty machine honest. Stop buying the hype. Start auditing the science. I'll see you in our next investigation.